In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money and dominate almost any niche using Chatgpt and Medium blog platform. So I'm sure you've been hearing about Chatgpt. Everyone's talking about it, and I just started experimenting with it. An incredible tool. It's basically what it is. I'm going to start over here so you can see how it works. You can come here and it can write content for you. Now, normally AI content, it just sucks. Okay, it's just not good. But this content is actually very good. So I'm going to do a Chatgpt article, and I'm going to show you how you can use this to earn commissions specifically with classifiedsubmissions.com. But you could do this with your own website, with your own business, in any niche. Of course, first you have to sign up for Chatgpt, and you can do that. I'll put the link below. It's free to sign up. So what I want to do is I want Chatgpt to write an article about classified ad marketing because I own classifiedsubmissions.com and I want to draw traffic to my website. So what I can do here's one example of what I can do. Say I put in some instructions, how to make money with classified ads, and mention favorably classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com. Now, as affiliates, when we get to these links of classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com, you can use your link. So these are the instructions for Chatgpt. Let's see what it comes up with. Come up here, and it's coming up with an article, a blog post that I can put on Medium. And Medium is a blog platform that is very, very highly ranked in Google. That's why we want to use them. So here we go. It's coming up with a really cool article right up here, and we can just come take a look at it, right? Make money with classified. Okay. Here, it's got a whole article here that you can use, right? And it's very well written. I should have said write a blog post, okay? Write a blog post, right? A blog post about, let's see what comes up. Try this here again. Then it came out in a little different format when I did write a blog post. See, I got a title now. How to make money with classified ads. Unleashing the power of classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com. That's because I asked it to mention those sites, right? So if you're an affiliate and you want to promote those sites, this will just spit out an article about it for you. You know, that's pretty darn good. You can like tweak it afterwards and, you know, add things to it. But wow, look at that. Look at this. Conclusion: classified ads provides a lucrative opportunity to make money by effectively promoting your products and services. This is well written. Platforms like classifiedsubmissions.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com amplify your success by offering a wide range of features and functionalities. Okay, so we've got a really nice article here. We can take this and we can copy and paste it into Medium. Medium's another site that you can sign up for free. Now, I've already done this, and I want to show you the example. Right? So, here's the article I did. Amplify your advertising reach, unleashing the benefits of classified ad posting service. So, I did this whole article, and I created a blog post here in Medium. Now, with Medium, what you can do is you can add videos. I went to Canva and I added a picture. It's always good to add a picture. I hyperlinked everything here. See, I edited it. So here I'm in edit mode in Medium. I can come here. I can add an image. That's what I did here. I can add an image from Unsplash. I can add a video. I would just copy and paste the video in here, right? I can add an embed if I want. A whole new bunch of code. It goes on and on. Add a whole new paragraph or part. Very easy to do. I copied and pasted this article in here, and I hyperlinked the classifiedsubmissions.com. Now here I just put the domain, but you could put your affiliate link, or probably better to, you know, put your own domain, which redirects to your affiliate link. That looks a little bit more professional, but you could do that, or a bit.ly, or a URL redirect link to your affiliate link. But bottom line, you have these links. I put in videos. Now, if you're promoting classifiedsubmissions.com as an affiliate, you're welcome to take any videos from my YouTube channel that are relevant and embed them in here, and you can create a fantastic article. And the thing is with Medium, they get found in the search engines. They just have a lot of search engine juice. So it's a great place to work in your SEO. And this will be permanent. You could even come up with like a super article about classified ad software. Now, let me give you some more ideas. I started with how to make money with classified ads and describe the benefits of using a classified ad posting service like classifiedsubmissions.com. Also, lists are good. I can do lists, top 10 classified ad sites that accept business opportunities, include favorable mentions of these two. So I'm going to write a blog post. We're going to come back here. We're going to do new chat, and I'm going to go write a blog post about a list of top 10. Let's do top 10. If you do too many, it starts to get weird. All right, and mention these two sites, and mention the benefits of using a classified ad posting service like classifiedsubmissions.com. There we go. Bam, it's going to do an article here. Top 10 classified ad websites that welcome business opportunities. It's going to put out this great article. Okay, it's going to mention Craigslist and all these others. That's fine, because people are always searching for those, and they'll search those keywords, and they'll bring it to ours. Now, okay, now it's going to have to standout platforms. Here we go. Now I own these sites, so I wanted to mention these sites. Now, if you're one of our owners who own a website, who were smart enough to get your own classified ad website, you could put your classified ad website there. Now we talk about the benefits of using a classifiedsubmissions.com. Time, enhanced reach, professional ad creation, tracking. Look how fast they spit out this article. It's really incredible. So I could take this article, which is really well written. Everyone was looking for Craigslist, so I'm going to be using their name as a keyword, because website names are a keyword too. I come here, I just come over to Medium, and what I can do is I can make like a mega post about classified ad posting software, and I can have my affiliate links to coolmarketingsoftware.com, classifiedsubmissions.com over it. This could be like a resource page. I could come here and say add a new part. Like add a new part. Let's see where that is. Video. Add a new part. And, I could come here and add a whole new article, right? I got to edit it a little bit, make it look good, link this up if I want to put a hyperlink here. See, put the hyperlink right there, and I'm good to go. And I could kind of create like a monster post about classified ad posting, how to get traffic. It's endless, like things you can ask. Now, what if you don't know what to search for in your niche? You can do this for anything in your niche. Here, you start over. Okay, what are the popular search terms people are searching for in Google about classified ad marketing? Say, I don't know what to write about. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay, they're going to give an excuse here saying that they don't know everything. Okay, right here, we got tons of ideas. I could ask them to write an article about top 10 classified ad marketing strategies. Boom. I have an article, and I can have my affiliate link in there. Top 10 best classified ad websites that offer advertising for real estate, that offer advertising for motorcycles, that offer advertising for affiliate marketing. There's like 20 ad ideas right there. Effective classified ad marketing tips, 7 effective classified ad copywriting tips, and talk about the benefits of using classifiedsubmissions.com. But all these ideas, right? There's enough to go on just by doing that to come up with 10 different articles. You put them on Medium, start sharing them on social media, and Medium gets ranked in Google very, very well. So you're creating a permanent permanent articles, and they're going to be found in the search engines. Now you have to spruce them up a bit with pictures. Like I went to Canva here and I made a picture. It just took me a few seconds. I have zero talent for doing images, graphic design. You can use like my videos on your Medium pages, and you could create a bunch of these Medium pages, or you can create like a mega Medium page around your topic. So if you were doing classifiedspecialist.com and coolmarketingsoftware.com, you can even, like, say you want to talk about OSClass Submitter. I did one here. I did an article about OSClass Submitter. Bam. He came up with a whole article about software I made. It's unbelievable. Put that in there. Go to videos about the OSClass Submitter. All that's on my YouTube channel. So that is giving you an idea on how to use this Chatgpt in combination with Medium to just own SEO for your topic. Again, this is showing you how to do it for classifiedsubmissions.com. But you could do this for any niche. You could just start owning that niche. You could find out what's popular, come up with articles, come up with listicles about it. It's just endless. So, and this doesn't cost anything. So this is a free way to start earning commission. So I hope you appreciate this. If you found this valuable, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put any relevant links below. I'd like to invite you also to join our newsletter where you can get more affiliate marketing tips. We're going to be doing a lot more with AI. We're really going to school on this. So if you want to learn more about AI and how you can apply that to affiliate marketing, definitely subscribe. So this is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com, ClassifiedSubmissions.com. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.